The 2010 Ford Expedition EL, powered by a 5.4-liter V8 engine. With a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This Ford features fog lights, dual front airbags, and 4-wheel drive. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include premium sound, third-row seating, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.